This is how I made lemon iced tea from The Joy of Cooking 1953. First I needed to make the iced tea, and then I would make the lemon mixture. The first recipe asks for a quart of water, which I had to look up, and it turns out that it's about 1.13 litres. So for the first part you just need about 4 teaspoons of whatever loose tea you have, and then to that you add the water. Unfortunately, as it turns out, my bottle wasn't quite as big as a quart of water. Whoa, too much water. Okay, oops. Once you've fixed any spillages, put it in the fridge for about 24 hours. After 24 hours you need to strain the tea. For this I used a coffee paper in a sieve. At this point I decided to taste the mixture. For me it was a little too bitter, although not too tanniny, so I decided that I would go ahead and add the lemonade mixture. Add the juice of 1 lemon to a bowl with 1 cup of water, a dash of salt and 4 tablespoons of sugar. Because I decided to use sweetener, I used about 1 tablespoon.